I am your balloon twister, Giordano the Great, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool little mouse. I am going to be using a blue balloon. You can use whatever color you want, of course, and take your pump there. And this time you're not going to blow it up very much because it's just a little mouse and we want a nice small mouse tail like the really thin one. I'll show you what I mean. So for a mouse we only need about that much right there. We don't need to pinch any off, we can just tie it right there. Oh, let a little bit out, not much though at all because there's not much there. Give it a bit of a squeeze and there you have it. You're ready for your mouse. So the first thing the mouse is going to need is a little face. So just a small little one like that. And then mice have pretty small ears. So we're going to do a 1 1/4 pin, followed by a 1 pin, followed by another 1 pin. Make sure they're the same size to make it look professional. And then twist those ears into the face. And now you have your cute little mouse ears and face there. Then give it a squeeze and the mouse is going to have a little neck, about this time only about a 1-inch twist to 3/4. Then the mouse is going to need its little legs, one there, make them the same size. You don't want it to be looking deformed. And then twist the legs into the neck. And then all we got now to do is the body and the 2 legs. So we're going to do the body about right there, followed by 2 legs, 1 there, and 1 there. And now we have the cute little mouse. And remember, you can learn all my balloon animals at balloonbro.com.